Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm IFS the Great or the Noblest Trader. I welcome you all again to another interesting and entertaining video. If you click on this video today, you're looking for the best broker to use or how you want to start your trading account or your trading journey this year, 2026. Now, a lot of brokers are already out there. We know that. This is me trying to guide you in the best way so that you don't get scammed. You don't use a broker that run away with your money. You don't use a broker that will not activate your trades correctly. So this video, I'll be recommending you guys a very, very good broker, probably the best broker that I use myself to actually trade the Forex market. So ensure that you like this video, ensure that you watch through the end because I'm going to show you guys how to create an account with the broker, how to deposit, how to trade. You also verify your account. It's very, very easy. It doesn't even take 5 minutes, you're done and you're starting to trade. As easy as that. Okay, so ensure that you leave a like on the video, also follow the page. So the link to this broker will be in the description, so ensure that you click on that link in the description if you want to use this broker. You can literally see it says world best broker, and it's not a joke because you can see they are officially partnered with Barcelona. And if you know Barcelona Football Club, you know that it's a very, very big club. They have won multiple titles, multiple awards for them to be called the world best broker. They are very, very good. Okay, so basically I'm going to click my country. This is Nigeria. I'm going to click that, then enter your phone number, your email address, then your login password. Then after you have entered your login password, it will request for your email verification. So I already created an account with them, but this is basically how you can create an account with them. Enter your mobile phone number, enter your email address here, enter the password you want to be using to log in the trade, to log in to the broker, and also they will get you an email verification. Basically, you have to press get code. Once you have entered your email address right here, you can press the get code button. They will send you a code to your Gmail, whereby you can actually collect your code from your email and actually use it here to verify your account. So I already have an account. Once you're done with that, you have successfully created an account. You can actually now go to sign in. Okay, so since I already have my account details already logged in here, I'm going to press login right now. All right. So now we are logged into our broker. Very, very nice interface. This is one thing you like to see, a very clean interface. Most brokers don't have clean interface, so make sure that you're using this broker. The interface is very nice. So you can see that I already have my identity verification completed. So the next thing you want to do once you create an account is to verify your identity using KYC. So this broker is the fastest KYC verification I've ever seen. It verifies under 1 minute, guys. All you have to do is that you have to collect your NIN card or your passport or your driver's license. Once you have opened an account, verify immediately. It's very important so that you know that you're a real user. So make sure you are verified immediately. So I used my own NIN card and it worked. So you can use NIN card, you can use passport, you can use driver's license, whatever. Voter's card can also work too. So once you have verified your identity, my identity is already verified. It takes just 1 minute. So make sure that you do that immediately after you open the account. Just 1 minute, very, very fast. So you can actually now go to create an account. Okay. So you can create an account. So when you want to create an account for yourself, choose. So it asks for your trading platform. So most people use MT4, some use MT5, but I recommend you guys use MT5. Obviously, MT5 is the latest one. So it asks for your trading account type. So you can actually choose a standard account or a pro account. So pro account, obviously, we have better spreads, better trading condition. You can choose that, or you can choose standard account if you have only a small amount. But whatever account, you can even go for pro, go for standard, whatever you go for, it will all work the same way. All right, so I can go for pro account. So currency is USD. Obviously, you want your account to be in USD. Then leverage, you can actually go for 1 ratio. So you can actually go for 1 ratio 1000. Now you can see that currently 1 ratio unlimited is currently somewhere there. Ultra is under ultra leverage, but this is only if you probably have gotten to a level when you have traded and you see that you're good, you actually unlock that for you. All right. So just leave it as 1 ratio 1000. This is already enough leverage for you, no matter the amount you're depositing. All right. Then to ask for your master's password, you enter your master's password there. Then your investor password. Master password is basically the password you use to log in your account on MT5. If you want to log in this account at MT5, you enter the master's password right there. Then investor's password is the password that if you want to give somebody else your login to monitor the account. The investor's password, you can actually trade with that as an investor. You can only monitor the account. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can actually press create. I already have an account with them. But yeah, after you're done with that, press create. And just like that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. It's as easy as that. All right. So it's as easy as that. So once you have created an account, obviously you want to deposit in money into the account. Now, people always ask me, what is the best amount to start forex trading with? I always tell you guys, do not start forex trading with nothing less than at least 50 USD, at least 50 USD. You can start with more if you have more to risk. Okay. So start with nothing less than 50 USD, which is is a very good amount. It's a small amount to start forex with, and it's a good, decent amount because with 50 USD, at least you can actually place maybe 10 trades in a row before you can blow the account, or if you have more opportunity to make more money. So always start with a very, very good amount, 100 USD, 200 USD, 50 USD, any amount above 50 US is very, very nice. So you can actually press deposit now. So under deposit, they have direct bank transfer, which is the method I like to use the most. Okay, very, very easy, very fast. Within 2 minutes, you're going to, or 3 minutes, you're going to receive the money in your account. So if you go to payment gateway, you can actually see express transfer. The limit is $10 to $10,000. Online transfer $10 to $20,000. Bank transfer $10 to $5,000. I've always said this, guys. Whenever I want to trade the forex market, do not start with anything less than 50 US, because 50 US is even very small. But always start with a very good amount. So I can choose Express because it's one of the fastest. So you can actually choose the account you want to deposit, which is the account I have currently. Then you select currency. The currency is Naira, because that's the currency for my bank account. Then can enter the amount you want to deposit. So I'm going to deposit somewhere around, I can do around $200 or something like that. So I press confirm payment. So let's see what happens. So application submitted. Okay. So it says we'll process application as soon as possible. Check again shortly. If the browser mistakenly blocks the payment information, please copy the link and open in a new browser. So I'm going to press copy link, and I'm just going to open in a new browser just in case. So I'm going to press. So I've now opened the link in a new browser. You can see that when I came back here, I have to just copy this link. So make sure you copy the link and then paste in the new browser. So I'm going to paste it here. So you can actually see that it tells me to deposit an amount of 412,117 Naira. So I'll press I understand and then press continue. All right. So you press continue. You're meant to make that exact amount to transfer. So they'll provide you an account details for you to make the transfer for yourself. So you can see that they have provided the account details here. So this is Sterling Bank accounts. This is the account number, Sterling Bank. So you're going to see the name here. So you're meant to do this transfer, the exact transfer. And then once you are done, you can actually just wait the next 2-3 minutes. You receive your money in your account. It's very fast. I already have an account here. So I've made my own deposits as fast and as easy as that. So guys, after you have made the deposits, you can now come back to the home page. You can actually go to your trading account. So you are meant to go to MT5 and then search for EBC Financial Group. You're going to see the broker there that if you want to log in your account. So you choose your EBC Financial Group. So this is your login number right there. Then your password is basically the password you entered when you're creating the account. That's the master's password. You enter that on your phone or MT5, and just like that, you should be able to trade with this broker. Very, very easy. I love this broker so much, actually. It's very easy to trade. Their spreads are very nice. You can try it out for yourself and tell me what you think in the comment section. All right. So that's basically how you can open an account with this broker and trade with them on your phone. It's as easy as that. So I want all of you watching to ensure that you use this broker. Give me your reactions and your reviews of this broker in the comment section after you have used it, because I want to actually hear from you guys. I don't want you to just be me saying that it's a good broker. I want you guys to use it for yourselves. Trade for probably a week, 2 weeks. Tell me what is your review on the broker. Tell me whether they were able to execute your trades very well. If you had any issues at all, if you have any issues, come and tell me, because I don't believe you should have any issue, because this is a broker, very, very good, and it's also a regulated broker. The only broker that I know currently available to Nigerians is this broker right here, and it's also regulated. So ensure that you guys use this broker. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are already creating an account for yourself. A trading account is very, very important if you want to be a trader. Start trading with your own personal funds, because trading only them all the time is not really going to give you that growth you need. You understand? So trade with your personal funds. Use this broker. Very, very nice. Give me your reviews on the broker after you have taken a lot of trades. Give me your reviews in the comment section. Tell me how fast your payout was, how fast your deposit was, and every other thing. Even how fast your verification was. Tell me in the comment section. With that being said, make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. Also, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely, a safe, and an amazing day. Goodbye, everybody.